welcome or welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So this is going to be basically the market day vlog and market day wrap up video. I did shoot some content this time while I was in that pop-up. So I'm going to share all of those clips right now. Hey guys, so we are all set for the event. I will share a clip of all our setting after this one. PM, right, 11 a.m. right now, so it's just about to start. People have started coming in, so I'll update you after I make like our first sale. This is Shrishti trying to display all our items.
I don't mind looking like.
Yeah, she's going to model all our stuff. Where's your bandana? Hey guys, so we just made our first sale, and these two girls, they are the sweetest. I'm just going to show you. Say hi.
Hello. They're so cute. Bunk college and everything, but still made it.
No, we had a seminar today.
इसके पीछे ऐसे music चलेगा.
You should come and buy this. You should visit this store. It's in Seawoods and it's too beautiful.
Hey guys, it is currently 11:47. It's been 47 minutes and we made one more sale. So we made 3 sales in total and we just sold our first plushie. So I'm very excited because that was one of the new items. And yeah, it's going great so far. I'll keep you guys updated. Hey guys, sorry for the music, but it is currently 1:13 right now and we have done 12 transactions. So it is going great so far. And yeah, we are going to probably have something to eat now because we are getting hungry. So it is currently 5 o'clock right now and we have done like 41 transactions. It is going great so far. I think we are
Too well. I am so tired of getting up and greeting people and smiling so much.
I think we don't have any social battery left anymore. We are just too tired. But it's going great, better than expected. So I'll just get back to you, I think, after the show is over. Hey guys, so it is day 2 right now and Shrishti is running a little late. So we have set it all up. My brother is here today. So we are just setting up and I brought my crochet stuff with me. So I'm going to crochet a little bit. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. So I just want to show you some of the stalls that are here. So I have this cute neighbor. They have some crochet stuff and they also have some terracotta stuff. So I'm just going to show their stuff to you now. So this is our stall and they are our neighbors. So the store is called Contact Craft and you can see they have some cute roses and this I think marigold and they also have this elephant. I really like the colors on this and they have other stuff as well. So
I'm speaking on the behalf of Contact Craft and we mostly deal in handicrafts from all over the country, from different states. Everything here is practiced handicraft. So say the terracotta is from Bengal, Panchmura. It's made in their own craft, the Bankura style of terracotta. This is Saraswati, 2 variations in it. Crochet, as you can see, it's from an NGO from Delhi and some Zardosi coasters there. So some small cute little things from all over the country. Promoting artisans, promoting their unique craft and also trying to imitate as much nature as possible. I hope you like it. Thank you.
So I'll just put the details in the description so you can go and support another small business. Hey guys, so guess who decided to finally show up? Shrishti is here and
Just
look
2 hours
look
late.
at her nose ring.
I bring new accessories every time. Also the earrings from Sarojini, obviously.
No, we are not doing a.
Achha,
What are you wearing?
Lajpat, just this is from Lajpat.
And also she did not come empty-handed today. She got me a gift. So
Got to see the friend from UK.
So these are like all the Harry Potter pops, little pop. I have like 3 that I got from Kinder Joy, but these are I think all of the ones. Oh, there are more. Oh my god.
So
this is almost 1 and I think we have made around 6 sales. So today is a bit slow. I think because it's Sunday and today is also the
Match
final
day.
of Champions Trophy and India is playing. So the crowd is a bit low, but yeah, I think we have run out of the sunflower by the way. We are almost out of our flower pouches and we have like 2 daisies left. So it's going great so far and we'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so I have opened the first one and then in this we have Dumbledore near the headless snake. We have McGonagall and then we also have a mystery one. Let's see what it is. Oh, it's fully wrapped. मेरे को लगा black. I didn't know what it is. I think it's Snape. इसके बाल दिख गए मुझे. I know my Harry Potter collection.
ये वाले are going to be the mystery ones.
Ah.
Customer is here.
So this is Snape's hair are better than mine.
I can't say the same. Speak.
So this is the second pack and I'm going to open. We have Voldemort. So in the second pack we have got Voldemort. Then we have Draco. Oh, we have
Draco chalu ho
Bellatrix. There is one mystery one that is left. And for the mystery, we have Hedwig, we have Phoenix. What was his name? We have Snape, and we already got Snape, so we need the Phoenix. I think because I have both of Hedwig and Harry from Kinder Joy. And look at it, got him. He's Fox, very pretty Fox. I was thinking that why is this below wala khali, but it is actually you can just put all of it here and you can like hang it or do something.
Oh, you
with it.
can't open this. This is like this only. It's a collectible.
Yeah.
Or can you? It doesn't need to
नीचे से open हो रहा है. So like look at all. Hey guys, so it is currently almost 3 p.m. right now, and today is very slow as compared to yesterday. We have had like a few sales, but it's just going very slow, and we are also out of our bow keychains. I just not keychains, the bow clips. I just made 2 more today, so we have those left. But yeah, I think it's going good so far. Hey guys, so it is almost 9 p.m. Yeah, overall, I think both the days even themselves out. I'm super tired, and we still have like a couple of hours left. But I think the foot traffic has slowed down more. So let's see what's going to happen, and I'll probably meet you in the wrap-up video. So the market was great. The experience, the people. I think I have never been praised so much in my entire life than I was done in these 2 days. People could not believe I made all of that stuff while working full time. So I felt really nice about it, and it just motivated me to keep doing it and do more of such markets. So basically, this one pop-up, we can just break it down into 2 parts. Like Saturday was great, like I don't know, great. Like it was beyond my expectation. And Sunday was like very slow. I understand because again, it was the final and cricket is like huge in India. So obviously I know that everyone was watching the game and I can't blame them because even I would be doing the same if I did not have my pop-up. If Saturday was here, Sunday was probably here. So there was a huge difference, but we did make like all of our expenses, the booth fee, everything, and plus profit on the first day, and the whole of the second day was just like whatever I earned was for me. So that was fine. I had a great time again, and I got to meet like a lot of nice people. I just have like one small business in this video, but I did meet like a lot of them, and like few of the stalls they came and like bought a lot of things from me, so I'm really thankful for them. I'll probably link the Instagram of few of the stall owners in the description, so you can go and support them as well. So yeah, now let's just go to the statistics. I know that's what you guys have been waiting for. So let's start. First things first. Obviously, we have our book right here. I did do some calculations. So again, let's just go through the expenses first. The stall fee was high, like very high. It was 21,000 rupees, and my other expenses, they came out to be around 10,000. It included like not just expenses for this market specifically, but overall all the expenses that I made right from December, like the December market we did. Post that, all the expenses we did, I usually record it in my next market. The reason behind it is I just want to include all the yarn. Even though the yarn is not consumed, I still include it in the market which I'm doing next to which I buy the yarn. So yeah, including everything, my total expense came out to be 31,000 rupees. I know that is high, but you guys need to remember that it includes a lot of yarn and stuff which I still haven't used and I'm going to use in the future. So now I have like 0 expenses right now. Obviously, I will order some more yarn because I have to. But yeah, excluding that, currently my expense is 0. So whatever profit is like entirely the profit. There are no more expenses that are going to be cut from that profit. But yeah, that being said, let's just get to the Polaroid we took. So this is the Polaroid of the stall. It has like the green Almari 2025 written. And this is like the Polaroid. I also got like 2 more Polaroid shots taken. I'll show it to you. We have this one. It's like, it's just of me. I know it's like too dark. I don't know if there's something wrong with my Polaroid or I don't know. So this is the first one. It just has me in it. And then we took one of me and Shrishti. So this is the other one. I think it looks very cute. And I'm planning to like hang it right here somewhere. And you can also see the Harry Potter things that we unboxed in the previous video. So yeah, that's that. Now let's just move on to the revenue that we generated. We had obviously 2 types of payment. One was UPI and the other was cash. So in UPI we had 34,170 rupees and in cash we did 13,760 rupees. This is both the days, but we did check the total amount that we collected on the first day, and that was 35,000, and the second day we just had like 13,000. So you can see the difference. It was like tripled on the first day, And again, I feel that if there was no match, the amount could have like been nearer. But yeah, like whatever happened. I still generated profit, so that's a good thing. So now let's move on. So I just need to say this: my inventory of my keychain gone. I made like 71 keychain. By the end of it, we had like 10 left. Like keychains were a hit. We sold out of the sunflower, the daisies, the donut, like in the first day and a half. I don't know what would I have done if there was no match and the second day was just as busy. I need to make like a lot more keychains, specifically the sunflower and the daisy, because they are really popular. The next thing that was really popular and we like sold out of it, I made like a couple of more, but they still sold out. So those were my bow clip. They did great. People loved it. And a lot of people asked me to make bow keychain, which I think I mentioned in my previous video. And the other thing, they wanted me to make a hair ties thing. So they want me to convert my keychain designs, like my sunflower, my daisies, into like a bow. So I need to do that. I'll do that for my next market. And the third thing that was like sold out, I don't know how soon, but those were my flower pouches again. And this time I made like 15 and they still sold out. So I'm going to make like a lot more of those. We did not really have any bad sellers like we did last time. We sold most of the things that we took, some more than others obviously, but some of the things that did not really sell were like, number one, it was the plushies, so I did not have like a lot left. But among the bunnies, I just sold one bunny, and that was the one purple one which I made with a different yarn. So I just think that the other yarn which we use for the scrunchies is not as great as for the soft toys, so I might not make any more soft toys with that yarn. Even the octopus, only 2 sold out of 6. I don't know if it was because of that yarn, because we did sell off the veils. Both the veils sold, and we sold like 2 reversible octopus and one was damaged, so I could not obviously sell that. But yeah, I think those were some of the things. That even the hats, we sold like 2 hats, so out of the 4 new we created, because again, I live in Mumbai, and Mumbai is like really hot, so you can't really wear crochet items in Mumbai. So I understand, so maybe I'll not make more of those. And I think the bandanas, once I wore it and I showed it to people like this is how it looks, a lot more people bought it, and we sold like more than half. So I won't say that that is a bad seller. And I think, yeah, we sold most of the things and it was a great. We also sold like 2 of our tablecloths. So yeah, that's great, because we sold like none of it. And like I don't even remember why I made it, the potli wax. No one was interested. So I don't know. I'll probably like mark it down so that people will just buy it. I don't know what to do with those. But yeah, so the net profit after everything was like much more than what I expected. So I'm really happy about that. And we had in total 124 transactions. On the first day we had 80, and on the second day we had 44. So even if it was half, but the average value was much less on the second day than it was like on the first day. But overall average order value was 387 rupees, which was really nice. So yeah, I think that was most of the recap. So yeah, I would really like to thank all of my friends and family who came there to support me, and a special shout out to Shrishti and my brother who were there on both the days and helped me manage through all the customers, because I definitely could not have done it alone. So yeah, thank you so much, and I hope to keep doing it in the future and vlog it for you guys. So yeah, I think that is it for this video. We did hit 350 subscribers, so our next goal is obviously going to be 400 subscribers, and we are really hoping to reach it by the end of this month, March. I have some really exciting things coming up. I don't want to spoil it. I think I did spoil it in a previous video, but that is fine. But we have some exciting videos and shorts coming up. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button. If you like this video, leave down a comment on how do you think I did, and if you guys were able to come and visit me. And yeah, I think this is where we are going to end the video. I hope you have like a great weekend, and I hope to see you guys next week. Bye.